All right, and we're live. Jacob's here.
Hi.
I am also here. And we are just going to get started and try to rebuild all of Slack right now in the next 3 hours before the Paul Graham event. So wish me luck. And Jacob, let's do this.
Cool.
So a little bit about where we are. We're starting off of our template repository, Freestyle Astro template. So open source, anywhere, like nothing here has been pre-coded. All right, so I'll boot up the dev server. Actually, I got to install first. Let me see. npm install, taking its time. npx freestyle dev. So the goal of this stream, we want to get all of the Slack chat stuff done. So we have our template up. Hello. And I think the first thing we should probably do is rip apart the template, right?
Yep.
So let's do it. You guys are about to see the template go to nothing. Whoever just joined, hi. Let's start ripping it apart. Same thought, right?
Do you have the Astro extension enabled?
Yeah. All
Looks
right.
like I have to enable it separately during code share.
Remove that. Remove all those. And the layout can stay because there's nothing interesting. But I want to remove the old styles. I'm going to kill the dev server and install Tailwind.
Sure. I think you just do npx
Astro add Tailwind. Yep.
And then you want to install Freestyle Chat.
Gotcha.
And Freestyle Chat is like a package that we made. It's built for Freestyle. And it provides like both a chat UI and a chat backend.
Yeah. Yes, I want that. And then npm install Freestyle Chat. Beautiful. All right, we have Freestyle Chat. And
do you want me to get rid of the base styles?
I already did.
Oh.
All right, this should be an empty project ready to go with Freestyle Chat. Okay, so you want to take lead now and put in the first chat? I think we start with a simple chat and then we build a manager. Or you want to build a manager, then the...
You just start like you're sharing screen, so start with like simple chat, and I could start. Do we want to work in parallel? I can build like the layout.
That sounds good.
The Slack layout, and you can start working on just showing how to use like basic chat.
That sounds great.
Do you think we should have the layouts be Astro components, or?
I think we should just go into React.
Okay.
I feel like it's just everything gets easier when we do that.
I guess so. We need to set up auth. We might, so like the chat package right now, it actually does function without auth. The current user, it'll just like automatically return like the session ID that Freestyle automatically
Gotcha.
sets. I guess no, we could just start on channels before we have auth.
Okay, I've hooked up a little chat UI. Let me think about what we want, because we're going to want to chat message list behind this. Use cloud from Freestyle.sh. And then this would be
Are you already making the Cloud State class for channels?
I have not done that yet. I currently have just hooked up a little bit like that has like I have just started hooking up a little chat UI, and I'm now moving towards the back end.
I don't see any files in Cloud State.
Yeah, I haven't started on the Cloud
Okay.
State stuff yet. I'll create a simple manager, chat manager.
What file is this? Oh, just update. Oh, chat, I see. Chat TSX.
At Cloud State. We're going to need a list of rooms or list of channels, let's say, and that could be a good way to do it. Cloud State. Do you think we can use the same model for a channel and a DM? I think so, right?
A channel and a DM. Probably.
I'm going to call it a conversation.
Sure.
Import. So what I'm doing now is how you use the Freestyle chat package. So I take the message list cloud state and I write my class conversation extends message list. Yes. And what that does is it transfers all the message list functionality onto it, which means now instead of having to do all of the making chat live and getting chat and responses and all that, it kind of just comes for free. So yeah. That feels like all I need to start. I guess I should probably, Jacob, do you want to handle the session for this? Because I forget how you handle those.
Session.
Like the users?
For now, let's just have all the users be anonymous, and then we can come back and add in the auth. Because I think by default, it'll just put in a random
Gotcha.
ID, like session ID.
Create channel. Beautiful.
For some reason, I'm not getting autocomplete like or imports over live share. It's strange.
Weird. The red line under it has gone away from me. I think that's a good sign.
Oh yeah, the red line went away from me too, I think.
Use cloud.
Did you have like a get channels function?
I have not made a get channels function yet. I'll do that right now. Get channels.
I think it's lagging a little. I don't think we can work in the same file at the same time. It's a little too slow.
Yeah. All right. It's just going to return a list of channel IDs for now.
Okay, I'm gonna move layout to a different file. That file can just become channels file or the sidebar.
Yeah, that sounds good. Beautiful. So we are passing in the chat room ID. Everything is good. Hello to anyone who's here.
Can you make sure you're in the sidebar file? I think it got a little like out of date.
Gotcha. So let's just make this I'll add the invalidates to make it live, and then we can just use cloud query for it. Dot get channel IDs.
Can we use export instead of export defaults?
Gotcha.
Makes it easier for refactoring.
Cool. Great. All right then.
And for now, I think let's just assume we don't need mobile.
Oh yeah, that's for later. Oh, same thought.
But we do. Same thought. We need to see this now.
Slack layout. That's what it's called. Slack layout, Slack layout, Slack layout.
And do you think? I think we should just use routes to make this easy for the channels. So you would just be.
Oh yeah, totally.
Channels. So we wouldn't be using this index file.
I mean, we'll do that. We'll get there eventually. Something is not happy. Oh, reloading. It still is giving us syntax errors because sidebars import should not be capitalized. You're writing React functions in a weird way.
Are you using the const syntax instead of functions?
No, just the parameters are what's screwing with it.
Oh, the destructure?
Yeah. Well, you normally do props and then children separately, and then notably children needs to be optional.
Sure, we can not destructure.
Yep. What is this thing that is mad about?
Also, we don't even need children here.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, right, and the chat needs a room. Yeah.
For now, let's just hard code that, I guess.
Use cloud query needs to be imported.
Why do you get channel IDs? You need like a list of.
Yeah, I haven't done the info thing on these yet, so I'm gonna do that now. These need a name. What else do?
I can just change this to like get channels, right? Like list channels.
And then call a .info function that doesn't quite exist yet.
Yeah. Let's call it like public info. Well, I guess we're not gonna have time for each private info, but I like to plan ahead. Are you monitoring the chat?
No.
See
I don't. Yeah. Hi. There's currently 2 people watching. So hi, people watching. Super. This dot public name.
Shouldn't we call this channel if we're going to call it channel manager? Or you want to call it conversation manager?
It doesn't matter too much to me, but whatever floats your boat. No, I want it to be, sorry, I do want it to be a conversation.
Okay.
Because we want to also have DMs.
So then right here, we'd also have like DMs. Oh, let's make this a map instead of an array.
Yep. That's a good call.
I'm gonna call this conversation CS. So I add the CS on the end so we don't get like conflicts between component names and class names.
Yep. All right, that all looks mostly good.
Oh, instead of this filter, we just do just the channel stuff delete.
Great. All right, theoretically speaking, everything should be working-ish now. Let's see what the syntax error is.
What's the issue?
This is a weird error. Expected instance to be conversation manager, but I bet I know where it's happening. It's in the chat because we are not passing in the correct chat room ID somehow. Layout, chat room ID general. Yeah, like we don't have a general chat room.
No, it's probably we just need to like restart the dev server.
Okay, I'll boot it up. Freestyle dev. All right, no port running. And
that actually might fail because I was in the middle of doing some initialized cloud state. Is that running now?
Nope, syntax error.
Where?
Chat manager.
Can we just run, is there a check command? Is there index asterisk check?
Maybe.
Do you have two terminals open?
Nope.
Oh.
Well, I guess maybe, but I'm only using one.
Mind if I restart the server and try to run check?
Go for it.
Okay, it says 0 errors. Just some warnings. This is a strange error. I'm going to rerun it with dash verbose like it says. Oh, actually, how do we do that? That would be in the freestyle config. Now the error is with index.astro. Do we need
Wait a
TSX
second.
on these?
I am a bit confused though, because everything I did just kind of removed everything from index.astro. So index.astro should be redirecting to a new channel. Validate. Zero dot 2.36. I'm just going to kill the dev server quickly.
Okay.
px freestyle dev. Let's see what's going wrong. Interesting. Where is the syntax error? Seems to think there's a syntax error in index.astro.
Do we need chatmanager.tsx?
That could certainly be it. And if so, I will be very annoyed. Well, wait, chat manager is not .tsx, it's .ts.
Oh.
But that certainly could be
I
it.
doubt that's it then. For some reason over code share, like everything has errors for me. I don't think that was it.
It says there is a syntax error in the home one. So we just need to figure out what Astro is fucking up.
Can we just comment like this whole thing now?
Yep, it's a fine idea.
Still says syntax error. Right, you're seeing that?
Yeah. I want to kill the dev server and run one more thing before I come to any conclusions.
I'm still seeing syntax error.
Me as well.
You sure you don't have any other dev server running?
100%. Okay, wait, something. Give me a minute. Don't change anything. Not right now. Okay, don't change anything. Okay, syntax error. But the syntax error was not there for a minute. So just give me a second to like properly diagnose this. No syntax error. No syntax error.
Are you getting like proper types and everything?
Not really, but a little. Just give me a second because I believe it's line 6 that's triggering it. I'm just not sure how. Okay. Okay. Okay, wait, something is not broken. Okay, so Astro was very weird. And now just let me go through the same thing in here. And theoretically, maybe something could work. Internal server error. What are you yelling at?
Maybe we should just try removing node modules or removing like the syntax error seems to be like the error is happening like inside of like byte or something.
We're actually not having the errors anymore. We're having different interesting things, but not the errors. Now it's just that nothing's showing up.
Are we expecting anything to show up?
Cannot read properties of undefined in sidebar.map. Something is undefined that shouldn't be. Channels. Channels is undefined. So let me do a quick, let me just swap that out and see if that starts to help. Okay, we have chat. We have a very cursed, not very good chat.
Cool.
But we have chat.
Should we try sending a message? Oh, sorry. Oh.
One sec.
I'm not seeing the message show up. Oh, did you make this like? Yeah, you did client load. I see in the console messages is not interpretable. In the console, I see messages is not interpretable.
So that just means we haven't instantiated chat yet. That's okay. That's a solvable problem.
Oh, so for this channel, you redirected to a channel, but you didn't create the chat.
The channel should have been created. The chat should have been created. Look at line 8. See. So theoretically, I'm going to do a little bit in the layout just to make this a little bit less bad for me.
I'm going to look at the Cloud State Explorer, which we need to set up a .env for, so we can sell it to in dev mode.
Did I kill the dev server? Something broke. Again, wow. Code collab, it's hard. Oh. Text. Let's give it some padding.
Can I stop this to install .env?
Yeah, sure.
It doesn't let me stop it for some reason.
It stopped.
Oh, for some reason I just can't access it.
Okay, well, you want me to run npm install .env, right? Mm-hmm. Just .env, am I crazy?
Yeah.
All right, .env is installed, rebooting it.
And do we want to use any kind of UI framework for this? Or just do it by hand?
Do it by hand. That's a little bit to work with.
Are we not showing? Oh no, we are showing the channels on this page.
H screen. Still a little darker, I think. That's good.
I can grab the actual color.
If you want. That does, yeah, that does seem good. Yeah, that's way better. Yeah, that's way better. Are you seeing these billions of Vite logs?
Oh yeah, that's because I turned on verbose.
Oh God.
I can turn that off now.
It's okay. I'm just never seeing that many billions of Vite logs.
That might be why the terminal's like broken for me, because it's too many logs. That's way too big.
Oh yeah, definitely. So they're normally a little gray unless they're selected.
No, if they're white if you have new messages.
Okay.
If they're selected, it's a like background color.
Gotcha.
You want me to do that?
Or
are you working on this file? I can work somewhere else.
Can you bring in chat so we can start chatting?
Yeah.
Like messages is not iterable is still showing up.
When you try to send. Interesting. Oh, because the room ID is hard coded to general.
Oh, sorry, I thought I fixed that. Padding 2.
Now I'm just getting new different errors.
Shrug.
Is anything showing up for you now?
No, everything stopped showing up, but it was showing up for you.
Properties of undefined DL. Like is what I see in my console. Oh, there's some issue with the chat component.
Do we have framer motion installed? Yes, that's how we're doing the animation. Yes. Jesus Christ, framer motion puts out a lot. It's the chat component. I don't know what's going on in it. I'm still chugging around along on the sidebar.
Okay.
Channel link from Can we turn off verbose? I think.
Yeah. It's in Freestyle config. I can remove that.
Cool.
And then you gotta restart the server.
All right, removed?
Mm-hmm.
Everything's ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's pause file changes for a second just to confirm it works. Okay, it's redirecting, but it's not able to render.
I'll try commenting out the chat and just putting in a div.
Great. Yep, that does seem to fix it.
I'm still just seeing a white screen. Oh, it just takes a really long time to load over live share.
Huh.
You on the Wi-Fi?
Localhost 8910.
Interesting.
Okay.
Okay, I'll try putting the chat back. But interestingly, this was working before we had put in the correct ID.
Do we have to implement anything else on message list CS, or should it just work?
Let me look, but it should just work.
Message list CS. And the error goes to
I guess we could try. I saw some error about keys, but that's probably related to the list. I don't think we need client load and client only. I think we just want client only. I'm just going to remove that in case it happens to be related. But I doubt it.
I'm going to kill the dev server for a quick second. Import parse cookie. All right. All right. Intriguing.
I guess we could try overriding get current user in case.
I already just did that.
But you're overriding it with like session stuff. Like maybe the session stuff isn't working is what I'm saying. Like
That's new. That hasn't been tried yet, but sure.
just simply like that.
Let's think about the chat. What is the problem here?
I'm gonna try just downgrading the chat package to see if it happens to be an issue.
Yep.
Wait, I don't even see the chat package in the package.json.
I do. 0.1.7.
Not updated for me. Let me close it. Nope. I don't see it. Can you change it back to like 0.6 and see?
Sure.
And then install.
1 sec. Stop changing things for just 1 second.
I did.
Okay. 0.1.6. npm run dev. That was a greater than, so I wouldn't have actually changed anything. npm install. You put a comma in, so I'm just going to update the freestyle to fix that. No dice. Result of Git snapshot. Network. Let's see precisely what's going on.
I see list channels runs.
Yeah. We're running use cloud. We pass in a message list. That's correct.
Let's try like commenting this out and just doing the console.log from the message list.
Sure.
I guess then we have to do like a use effect.
React.
Or do we need to use it?
Yeah, if we want it to run on. Yeah.
So I think we could just do like a use cloud query and then log it.
I don't know if that will work. But that's why we have both approaches. All right. Use cloud query comes from the React package.
Oh, oops. I still seem to be getting the same errors.
Well, I'm getting a weird one because I'm getting a chat component error.
This is the chat component.
I know, but fundamentally, I want to get rid of the use cloud query stuff. I want to go a little simpler. So it works without that. I wonder if there's a recursive invalidate somehow. Because I want to note that my use effect is never being made to. Try.
You could also try downgrading the freestyle package just in case there's an issue there.
I just want to take a minute. Instances. Okay, I think I see the problem now.
What do you think is the problem?
we're passing undefined in as the instance ID.
Oh, we are.
Yeah, it's not making it through.
Oh, because you're doing astro.params.chat. You should be doing astro.
Oh, because we changed it to channel. I see. It was originally chat. That's where it all comes from. Yeah.
Well, for consistency, they should probably.
Yeah. Sure.
conversation,
Just
but-
let's not do consistency yet.
Okay, sure.
Well, the chats didn't exist, so it told us the chats didn't exist. In some ways, you could see it as a feature. Not really, though. Okay, yeah.
Were you able to send a message?
Yeah. Go to my channel. I just sent a chat.
Where?
Discord.
Yeah, I see your messages.
Send me a message.
Last time I tried, it didn't work.
Yeah, but try.
Oh, it worked now. Cool.
Yo. We have a chat. Chat.
Cool. Okay, now I think create channel button.
Yeah, I'm gonna just make the links to channels actually link to channels, and then yeah, you do a create channel button.
Sure.
I might also make the channels SSRN so we can get a little bit of a nicer UI feel.
Sure. And I'm gonna change your naming scheme for channel link.
Sure.
Oh, I need to open the same file. We want to do like a modal for creating a channel. I think it's easiest if we just make it another page.
Sure.
Well, I guess we could use the new dialogue component in HTML.
Base channels.
I guess for creating a channel, I don't remember how Slack does it.
Chat manager dot list channels. Base channels. Oh. Beautiful. Now they dynamically load in. And let's also do a all right. Is selected. Boolean.
The new channel, like for creating it, just takes in a name, right?
Yeah, at this point, it just takes in a name. We should probably add a snapshot of date, like when created, but that can be later. AG blue 700.
Wait, why are you making it blue?
Because I'm gonna do selected. Right now
It's white.
when they're selected.
Yeah.
No, like when they're sorry, it's the one you're currently on.
Yeah. The background is white, and then the text becomes purple.
Okay, I see. Right, you can't do it in React. I misspelt. That's not right at all. These are all different ideas, so that really shouldn't be possible. Did you change the URLs?
What do you mean?
Oh, you made it channels. Oh, it is just channels. Sorry. Go on the head. Check it out. View transitions.
I'm working on something else right now, but cool.
I'm satisfied with that for now.
I'm getting syntax error again.
You sure? Because look.
Look at mine right here. White.
Oh, yeah, white. And it's that same purple as the background, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Cool. Sidebar, I'm just going to steal that. Just that. Hey, checking in on G chat. Oh, looks like you're doing something.
Trying. I don't know. It's really hard for some reason. Just auto completes and like stuff just isn't working over code share.
Fair enough.
Are you importing things with that TSX or
No,
Okay.
that's too much. Can you send me a screenshot of a Slack channel I can use?
Sure. Or I guess maybe not that one. I don't know. You want me to find something that's not YC?
Yeah. Okay. Coming together a little bit.
I think you should just use Google. I'm not logged into any
Yeah,
other
cool.
like, Slack.
Yeah, I mean, I think I know what I had. I think I have what I need here. Okay, that's important. That's fine. One sec. I am back. I just needed to switch my Slack. So if they want to mess with one of these, okay, so I have to override the drop down. I'm going to do this right now just because what I really want is I really want to be able to rename channels. And that would go.
Channels, is that important?
I just want different channel names.
I'm working on a new channel.
Okay, that'll be very nice once we have it.
I'm still getting syntax error.
All right, let me take a look at your code.
It's when I add in the sidebar component that I get a syntax error.
You named it sidebar.
Oh, why is that a syntax error? Astro's syntax, like error handling, is not great.
And it needs a chat room ID, which I'll
For the
make.
sidebar? Because I see.
I'll make that optional. It's optional now, shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, actually, really shouldn't be a problem. Okay, syntax error done.
I still see syntax error. Maybe it's just still loading for me though.
I'm really surprised it just doesn't use your like local VS Code for that. I guess it's for sharing extensions that I might have that you might not. Where is this new page?
Install the extensions separately.
New channel. All right. Let's go through this piece by piece. Good if I mess with your file a little bit?
Yeah, go for it.
First things first. Beautiful. No syntax error. Paste channels. What are you changing in sidebar?
I'm just adding a button to create a new channel.
Okay, tell me when that button's done, because I think it's blocking this right now.
Oh. Okay, in theory,
Okay, can you do me a favor and do something relating to like getting messages to look like this, like just separate? Also, what's in there? Just curious because I can't right now.
what's in where?
That chat.
Group one?
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay, cool. All right. Very interesting. All right. Save. Can you start modeling how accounts would hit?
Just too slow. Like,
would hit into there? That just so there's no conflicts.
Hmm?
Can you start modeling how user accounts would fit into this? Just so I just need no conflicts on this for a minute. Like I need to just be able to debug a little bit easier without the code changing under it.
Okay.
Layout.
Oh, it just saved, my changes went away. Weird. Not a fan of code share.
Yeah, me either at this point. This has been a little hard to deal with. All right, now that we're in, go to the new channel page.
Oh, did we already have Freestyle.sh installed?
Oh, yeah,
Oh, cool.
I did that a while ago. Oh, did you shut the dev server down or no?
No, I can't use the terminal.
Huh. I'm very confused about how new chat breaks. It's a very simple file, and yet it does not seem to want to be okay. Very interesting. Hi, Rick. And I just saw yours. Chatbot. I'm not sure what you mean, but we are rebuilding Slack, and we're using an open source chat package from Freestyle, our company, that kind of just comes with all the chat pre-built for us. We just have to plug it in. And right now we're currently wrestling with Astro and live share more so than Astro. Live share is not playing very nicely, having both of our computers on it. Just a shot in the dark. Oh, that's it. That's funny as hell.
So do we want to have like a login page?
That's a good idea. You had a component for new channel. Is it called new channel?
Yes.
Is there anything else it relies on?
Anything else it relies on? I don't know. I don't have type completions.
Okay, I just created a new channel.
Oh, cool. It worked.
Yeah, give me 1 second. It was an Astro SSR-ing the socket, I think. Oh, wait, new channel. What the? Give me 1 sec. I have no idea what's going wrong here. That's fine. And it just cut up. Okay.
I'm thinking maybe you should just commit this, and then we'll switch to using Git at this point.
Okay.
I think we've collaborated in real time enough for us
Yep. To know we don't like it. Yeah. So I'm going to kill the live share and commit to Git. Stop sharing server. Stop collaboration session. There we are. Initial starting setup. All right, that's great. The obvious next one is channels. I'm going to style the create channel page because we should have styles on it.
Yeah, I just couldn't ever see it.
Yeah. It's quite pretty for what it is.
I'm sure it looks terrible.
Let's make a dialogue first. Flex, center, justify, center, div. This made me really appreciate Git. God, I put my Slack into dark mode, which I love, but I don't actually know how to style it in light mode now.
It probably just follows the settings your computer's on, yeah.
No, I had it always on dark. Add channel, create a new channel. Okay, that's fine. Got it. Okay, that's what it wants. Good.
I'm going to get rid of the client only stuff now because it just makes the load look really bad.
Okay, double check it all works. Like, do it one by one, please.
Mhm.
I think we just might finish this. I was a little worried.
What time do we finish it by?
We have, I believe, until 3:30. Yeah, 3:30. I think we can do it.
Yeah, that seems reasonable.
Do you think I need an X icon? Or let me see if Hero Icons has an X icon. Otherwise, I'm just using an X. Hero Icons does. I'll
You
just
can use just a SF symbol. I mean, not an SF symbol, a Unicode like character for X.
beautiful. Not quite right, but that's okay.
Oh, it's so nice having auto imports and stuff now.
Yeah, that was really hard. That is too much padding. Okay, yeah, that's fine. It's a darker gray. That is not. All right, let's see how that feels. Is there something between a border and outline? Am I crazy?
What do you mean between?
I'm trying to replicate this. Like how when it's selected, and right now I've gotten this, and I don't know why I'm getting that white space. I'll keep fiddling.
I don't know offhand. But I don't think they actually usually use like outline when they make it styled like that.
Well, how about that's not pretty
like,
good?
I think they actually use like a shadow and stuff.
It's pretty good though. It's pretty close to their effect.
Sure.
I mean, I got to get the color right, but I think it's pretty much what they have. Pretty nice. All right. And I forgot to name it. Beautiful.
Are we gonna do servers?
I thought we could probably, if we do this well, that should be easy to just add at the end.
Mm-hmm.
I want to get a fully working server though. That's my first goal. I don't think that's too bad. Our channel creation is looking pretty nice, if I do say so myself.
Sounds good.
I'm going to take a little free reign to just do toasts with something like I don't want to allow channels that have empty names.
Why not just not allow them to submit?
Oh, yeah, that's
Like,
what they do.
It seems like toasts seem like a bunch of extra work.
Yeah, I
We
agree.
don't really need toasts.
I don't know, I really do like my toaster library. That's not too bad. That is too bad. And finally, Last name, relative.
Can you push your latest code? I'm still getting syntax error.
Give me 1 second. I just want to finish this last styling thing because it's going to drive me crazy to push code with this thing as ugly as it is right now, and it'll be so much less ugly in like 1 minute.
Oh, seems to work when I use client only. Just weird.
That's fun. Interesting that they have it elevated the way they do. Okay, I'm satisfied. I'll push. Channel creation. Does the channel creation also already redirect? Yep, it does already redirect. Great. So now we can create new channels. That's very good. I'm going to change the index to, instead of just creating a random channel every time now, check if there are channels, and if so, send you to one, and if not, send you to create one.
Just take you to create.
Yeah, exactly.
Makes sense.
Hooray. This is looking good.
You haven't already created that like second sidebar yet, right?
Which one? Oh, the
one that has
home
your user
DMs.
profile in it.
No, not that. I haven't even started on that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna quickly make that right now. Like, I just want it because I need the place where you put the like profile image.
Yeah. What was I going to do? It's pattern. Yep. Put this in the wrong place. Am I crazy? This will make that a little bit more accessible. Hey, people are on. 5 people are on the stream.
Nice.
Jacob, you want to say hi to them?
Hey. I almost have authentication done. I'm gonna push just what I have, just so that you have it.
Cool, cool.
Merge conflicts.
Really? That's
Oh
surprising.
wait, no, I'm getting. I have to do the thing, like you said, how you deal with merge conflicts. But you might want to pull my changes.
I will in 1 sec.
What are you working on right now?
Just making the channel names a little bit nicer. That really should have a slight amount of padding below it.
I think you need to not obsess over that stuff until all the functionality works.
Channel 2. Okay, I am done obsessing and pushing now. All right, do we have accounts of any kind?
Kind of.
Interesting. Now I'm getting a conflict. The only conflicts are here in the new channel.astro file, which is surprising that we have conflicts, given that you changed it. Sure.
It shouldn't the new channel.astro file. I just deleted that file. I thought you weren't using a page for that anymore.
No, I am using a page for it.
Oh, I thought it was a modal.
It's a modal, but it's a modal on a page currently.
Oh. Oh, okay. So you did just continue the way I was doing it.
Yeah.
The cursed way.
It's less cursed with view transitions.
Then you should just like put back the file.
Yeah, that's what I did. Oh, dude. Coming back and seeing it look like Slack is weird. Oh. That was dumb of me.
What?
I actually forgot to implement one button on that page. I left a button just not done. You want to deploy the first iteration of this?
Sure. You want me to do that?
Yeah.
Why not? Why don't you do it? Because you can show it.
Sure. Home channel. All right.
Remember,
People who are here, we are going to deploy the first iteration of this. So please pray with me that it works. npx freestyle build to build it.
Well, we're deploying it. We'll see if the off works.
Live and learn.
Deploying would have been a good idea to deploy right before the off because we probably have to work out off bugs.
Freestyle Slack 1. And we'll probably just kill it after.
You make sure you have prettier on. Is that default formatter or whatever?
I think so.
Because when I save, it's like mangling your files.
I have a prettier extension. Let's hope that's enough.
You have to set the formatter, like Command Shift P, then set.
Something is invalid.
What do you mean?
Like Freestyle Slack 1, the first production deploy did not work.
Oh, can you send me the link?
Yeah.
I'm guessing it's probably because of like session tokens or something.
I'm not sure.
And you builds and everything?
Yep. It redirects to the page. It's just that on the page, something breaks.
Well, it might be off. That would actually make sense, yeah, because I made it crash if you're not logged in.
Oh, well, then it does make sense.
We can try out logging in didn't work yet. No session ID. Okay, we got to set session ID.
Did you do the configure freestyle?
No, I didn't do any of that.
I think you need to do the configure freestyle headers.
Yeah. Yeah, I just don't. We weren't quite ready to deploy that.
Yeah. All right. Huh. Freestyle dev.
You want me to fix the header stuff?
Yeah, I don't know how you did off. Like, I just haven't been in the weeds with you. Home. I'm gonna move layout to a Astro file, just so I can
Sure.
get a little bit nicer view transitions.
Yeah, I mean that code is so jank.
Give me.
I mean, we really should like. No, never mind.
Um,
Can you add me to the project?
NPX freestyle
Commit.
owners add Jacob Zwang, and what are the caps in your GitHub?
Capital J, capital Z.
Yep. You are now an owner.
Okay, and can you commit the freestyle.json?
Freestyle.json commit. Save all. Sync changes. Freestyle Slack. And then in here, I want to take this component.
I wonder if we need to put the configure freestyle in, like if we put it in the layout, is that good enough? Because the layout's on everything?
Yeah, sure. That checks out to me. It won't work on index.astro because there's no layout there because everything happens on the server.
Oh. I will put it there then as well.
Channels and chat room ID. That's a prop. Great.
Oh, oops, I deployed without building. What are you working on now?
Just moving some of the stuff to a server to make it all run a little smoother.
Okay.
Like decursifying like our layout, basically. No, wait, I do want that there. I don't want that here. That's no longer required.
So now the sign-in page like almost worked. It failed at like finish registration.
See how that does. Astro uses slot, right? I'm not crazy about that.
I think so. Or it might be like Astro.children or something.
No, it's slot. I just confirmed.
Oh, okay. I've been logged in, but now I'm getting a hydration error.
So just client only it.
Well, but this is live.
I know.
It's already client only. I wonder if I need to do configure freestyle in this page. Like check the logs.
This approach does not seem to be working. I'm going to discard it.
What are you doing?
I'm just starting fresh on my approach to get stuff to run a little smoother since it did not really end up working. That's something I need to do. Slack layout. What could this error be? Don't think that's out yet. Okay, so I'm getting blocked right now because it's saying error user not found.
And sign in. Go to /sign in.
So where do I go?
Go to /sign in.
Cool. User. Okay, great. I'm going to start unstyling the messages.
Sure. We probably need to make a custom text message so we can include information about the user in it.
Oh, also we want to be able to include reactions. So
That might not be that easy.
yeah.
Yeah, we can just extend text message. Did you commit all your big changes?
I haven't actually.
Do that.
Give
I don't want to have a ton of merge conflicts.
me 1 second, and then I will. I killed a lot of my big changes because they were just causing more problems than they were worth. All right. Currently, we have committed. Like everything, you are up to date with me.
I don't understand why client load doesn't work for a Slack layout.
So I'm gonna need to start fucking with these message data models soon because there's a lot of things that I want to add.
Okay.
Notably, I want to add on like wind scent. Okay. Let's make that font a little bigger. Too big. Oh, that's annoying. All right, here's where we are currently.
Cool.
I'm going to start on the top and bottom bars, like the way Slack does it. Doesn't look like Slack actually has a way to change channel names. Somewhat interesting.
I'm sure there's a way, but
It's not very accessible in their UI.
not a very important feature.
Yeah. Okay. And we would override. I think I need to update our chat package version.
Oh, because we downgraded it.
Yeah. What would it be called to change the bottom bar again? Like the input to the freestyle chat?
Input something? I don't remember.
Input.
You might just need to reload your VS Code.
Yeah, I think I do.
It's 0.1.7 or 0.8 that we're at.
I think 7.
Yeah, I'll double check it, but well, I'll double check it if it doesn't work. Message input. Yep. All right, final stretch.
Okay, I think some of the syntax errors are because we're not using import type. And then it's trying to like bundle in the like decorators. So I'm going through and making sure like all of our imports into React files are import type.
What was I going to do? I was going to log back in. What's the sign in page? It's sign up,
Just sign in, I think.
sign in.
Oh, yeah, I was right. Using import type fixed the issues.
Live and learn. God, scrolling CSS has always been my downfall.
So the deploy is sort of working, but for some reason it crashes and gives like this every other time. Like if I reload,
Is it every
works.
other time or is it on the first time?
No, then watch. Reload, bad. Reload, good.
Okay.
Reload, bad.
That
it worked
tells
that time.
that
Bad.
tells me that we're not setting the session somewhere. Or that's getting lost somewhere, don't you think?
I don't know. I guess I can
What are
try
the
and
logs?
just close that and then
But what are the logs?
it's this. Type error cannot read headers request closed.
Interesting.
So I don't know why you're passing in base channels if we're making this client only.
That's how you SSR. You pass it in so it
Right,
renders
but
on first
client
load.
only means it didn't render on the server.
Oh, good point. I don't know what to make of this. I'm trying to get this thing to go to the bottom.
Oh, just position absolute and then bottom 0.
I tried that, but then it scrolls off screen.
You have to make sure that you set the height of the outer container to the screen height.
Okay, I will keep you posted on if that works. So when I do that, we get that it's unscrollable. And then I do overflow scroll.
No, because there's already a scroll inside of there, so you shouldn't need to make your own scroll.
Well, I don't know what to make of this then.
You set the height of it to page screen. Okay. You're very trusting in the hot reload. I always reload. Okay, and then the other thing where did you put it? You made it absolute, and you might need to give it a height.
Oh, no, I mean, let me
I would
just
give it a height.
new channel.
Give it a height.
This
Yeah,
H24.
that's way too tall, but sure.
Oh yeah, it has a height. Oh, it's because there's a div around it. Maybe.
Yeah,
Okay, that fixed enough that I can go from here. All right, everything is back to where I want it to be. And I try reloading. Sweet. Now we send a message with that. That's the obvious next one.
Okay, adding configure freestyle to the channel file. Fix that. For some reason.
Great.
Okay. Yeah, it seems to be working now.
did that suddenly stop working?
Oh, I did just commit.
No, it wasn't anything you did. I haven't pulled yet. It was actually just me being dumb. Great.
Did you implement the view transitions?
What if I just put them in layout?
Oh. And how do you navigate with a view transition?
You just use the anchor.
Oh, you just have to use an A?
Yeah.
There's no programmatic way?
I believe there's a programmatic way. I do not know how to use it. Not gonna happen. That's a shame. I see why they would do it their way.
I'm gonna make it so like when you like it'll redirect you if you try to go to a channel for login. Actually, I could just put that in the layout.
Okay, I gotta do a merge, so wish me luck. Okay, only like 12 of them. Good. Except now for the hard one. Huh, surprisingly light work. We've got another hour. I think we're gonna make it.
Yeah, I mean the channels are already kind of working.
To anybody who has struggled through this with us, we thank you for being here. I'm so sorry. Hmm. Something broke. Where are you?
Are you using people's actual usernames?
I just use .username for now.
Because I'm seeing test here, but oh wait, because that message actually was from test.
Well, wait, pull the newest because this is very out of date.
Okay, yeah, now it's from test too.
Pull the.
Oh yeah, sorry. Let me.
Yeah.
Get some stuff first.
Okay. This repo is open source.
You're answering someone in chat.
Yeah. Sorry, I just saw your message.
Send the link.
Yeah. This repo is open source. So if new channel works, that tells me that it's a problem in chat again.
Wait, so
Tell me when the redirects are done, because
I already did and push those, but now I'm getting a new. Like, I think after pulling yours, now I'm getting like I can't see the channels.
Yep, I'm there too. So
The
something I merged must have broken
the
something.
invalid token thing is usually because of like the import stuff, import type.
Well, then we should go import hunting. Channel link, nothing interesting. Type. That can be removed. Type.
Did you find anything?
Found one, but I don't think it's what it is. I think it has to be in chat, given that new channel works. Can also just be in layout.
So So now mine, I think, seems to be working. I just moved like both of these to be like top level Astro components instead of having this like random layout.
Cool. Could you do me a favor and push that just so I don't have to go through this? Totally weird. All right. New channel. Here we are. Safari. Okay, that's pretty good. We're cooking. All right. What do I want to do next?
I'm going to improve the styling of the message a bit.
Please do. You should also do like images soon for that. I think that'd make it look.
Yeah. Do you not have that data?
No, I currently just have sender ID, but is that I wasn't sure how that was linked to user IDs because I didn't do the auth system.
Did you not make a separate component for text messages?
I don't think I did actually. I am going to make a separate component right now for.
You wanted me to make it better now.
Yeah,
I
one
can-
second. I don't know if that'll actually do anything. I'm gonna try deploying it.
Sure. I mean, it's already working.
Oh, you deployed it?
Yeah, it's been working.
Oh shit.
I mean, I haven't deployed it since your latest like UI changes, but I sent you a link, but you'll have to sign in first. I think.
Very
Actually,
cool.
wait, don't sign in yet. Let's deploy.
I'm
Are
gonna
you, like,
upgrade
you
the sign-in page a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, no, this is great. Never mind everything I said. We don't have to deploy yet. All right.
So I'm making a custom text message.
Cool. P6.
Well, actually, I don't know if that's going to help. I actually have to do a custom get messages.
All right. Almost working. I'm gonna make it so that the server automatically starts with one channel called home.
Sure. I mean, you can also just use the initialized cloud state for that.
Does that run on production as well?
No.
Does not like that. What did I even change? Oh, that's what I changed.
So did you do a custom message input? Because I still just see the iMessage one.
Huh? Oh yeah, definitely.
You already did one? Or-
Yeah, I did one. Go look into a chat.tsx.
Okay, yeah, I believe you. I'll figure out why it's not working.
That's much nicer. PG Gray 100.
What are you doing?
Sorry, Rikin, are you still here? He is offering to contribute. He thinks he can make the sign-in page better. Are you still here, Rikin? Ah, we lost you. I need to check chat more often.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're still here? No, he is still here. Do you want to do it? We'll both commit what we have, and you can try to make the sign up better. Do you have the GitHub? Yeah, great, cool. I look forward to your pull request. We have to go in 30 minutes, so let's do this fast. We will both stay out of chat. Do your thing.
You mean out of sign-in?
Out of sign in. Yeah, we will both stay in chat and stay out of sign in. Cool. I'm excited. Where are we? Yeah, username taken. We didn't cover that case, but that's fine.
Yeah, I saw that, but whatever.
Yeah. I think Ricken has got it. Yeah. Forking it seems great. That seems like the way to go. What was I going to do now? Right. Okay, I need that. All right. I need a top bar.
like focus effect you have on there is really like aggressive looking for some reason.
Oh yeah,
Like,
that
very
was I let
springy.
ChatGPT do that. It's the same exact one from Create. I think
Where
it
is
should.
that? Oh, it's just in here.
Yeah, it's a little much. I agree.
Oh, and they don't even use that in the real one.
They don't?
No.
Oh yeah, that is better.
You want me to fix that?
Yeah, I'm on a. I mean, you can if you want. It seems like you're there.
Yeah.
And we can have it just be hashtag. Let's make it 6 total. All right. Sweet.
Have you been watching chat?
Vaguely. Nothing new. We've got 25 minutes left, so let's get our final features done.
What do you want to do for final features?
That is up to you. I think I'm really interested in tuning it at this point.
Okay.
We could do replies. Do you think that would be too hard?
That sounds kind of tricky.
I'm going to try reactions. I can't promise I'll succeed at reactions, but I'm going to try.
That actually, I don't think will be that hard. So I already kind of.
Okay.
Okay, no, I don't need to push anything for that.
I think I do need the new message type because you said you're not sending text messages anymore.
No, I am. I'm just using text messages right now.
So I think I need to create a new message
Yes.
kind, right?
Yeah, you have to extend text message so you can put reactions on it.
Export class Slack message extends text message CS. Beautiful. And I want to create a reactions hash map, which would be a map of a string to an array of strings. Now on each message, I can write add reaction and remove reaction. That's fine. That doesn't need to be acid. Actually can be done way better though.
I'm gonna build and deploy a new version.
Does a message have access to its conversation?
I don't remember. I mean, if it does, then you can like check.
I'm trying to invalidate the conversation right now.
Why do you need to invalidate the conversation? You can just invalidate the message.
Would that trigger everything up?
You don't need like
The
you
reaction.
shouldn't be
Oh, well, you're saying we pull. I see now. Yeah,
pull
you're right.
reactions as its own query.
Yeah, pull the reactions independently. Get reactions. That's its whole thing. type of Slack message, get reactions, and I can do this.id, so it only invalidates itself. Similarly,
I think when you put the X in the create new channel button, it creates a channel anyway.
oh, that's because it's a form, so you
Yeah.
override the create default.
Yeah, whatever. I'm not
Event
worried about
default.
that right now.
Yeah. Add reaction. What did
We don't have sign in. We have sign up, but not sign in.
Beautiful. Oh, wait.
I'm not working on this. I'm just
Okay.
trying it.
Okay. What was I gonna do? This dot get reactions. That all checks. Perfect. Now, how do I override the sending the message to make it send a Slack message instead of sending a text message?
You just override
I see.
underscore add text message or whatever.
Is this right?
What?
The way I'm passing it in? I do bracket Slack message and then I do type of conversation CS.
I don't remember.
Uh,
Other examples, I don't know.
T extends message list.
Maybe I'll try and make it work on mobile.
Seems like a good use of time. That can't be right. Chat message. Override and text message. Great. Does that just work? That did not just work. Hey, Rickon, we're gonna have to go in not too long. So let us know how this is going for you. We'll be happy to review your code later if it's a while away, whatever works. Oh, that's what it is. What do you make of this?
Maybe you didn't put it at cloud state above it or something.
You are correct. Our API is so simple, and yet I still cannot do it. Sweet. All right. And the last thing really then is to actually do the UI, which is going to be quite annoying.
And you only have 9 minutes.
Easy.
did that icon come from?
Hero icons. Oh god, that's bad. Let's start with one, and then I'll do the others. Message.get reactions.
Does use effect run on the server? Okay, I think we have to like start wrapping up now.
Yeah, agreed. All right, so my reactions need a little work. But I think this has been good. Let's deploy the final one, right? I'm going to remove this freestyle JSON.
Hold on. Let me
Yeah, make your pushes.
I don't think this is gonna work for the new channel. Okay, that's fine.
That's great.
And on bigger screen, it's open. Cool.
Hey, Wayne. It's good to see you.
Hey.
We're finishing up right now. And actually, we're going to just do a final show off and then share what the final product looks like. So glad you made it. Thank you.
You're gonna do that like now, right?
Are you pushed?
I did, yeah.
All right. So I'm going to pull the latest, have some merge problems as there always are. We can not deal with that right now. Everything seems vaguely in order there. Good. Good. Get merge. What? Finishing touches. A little confused, but God. All right, I might need your help with this because these merge. Oh no, it's just that. That seemed to. Yep. Yeah, I don't think I need to change that. I think that'll just work. Which of these? I think it's the current change, right?
Probably no. I mean, it probably should be incoming.
Incoming, yeah. Get merge.
Did you not use the UI for that?
No. I mean, yes, but that's what I just did. Okay, Jesus
You
Christ.
gotta hurry it up.
I'm just trying to like not deal with it. We just like forget about all this. Get merge.
You can't merge until it's like,
I know. It's just very annoying. All right, let me test it locally. This is the final product, unless it doesn't work, and then it's not the final product.
Then you just roll back.
All right, you put in your name. You sign in. You come here. You have some CSS issues.
Looks fine on my screen.
Can you pull my merge and figure out what messed it up?
Can you just revert yours? I can look, but you messed it up.
Yeah, we'll just go to here.
Just revert it.
Yeah. I'm not going to revert it first. I'm just going to do this, and then we're going to do, I think I can do reset current branch list commit, right?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Or, I mean, you could just check it out. You don't
That's
need
what
to...
I did. Yeah. All right. So here's the final product. We got our Slack. Hi, hello, welcome. And it's live with multiple users. We'll make this one Jacob.
I think get to the point, deploy it.
Which channel are we in? I'm in the random channel. Hello. We can do that. And yeah, I'm going to deploy this. Let's hope everything works.
You built it first, right?
Yep. Well, I'm building it right now. NPX Freestyle. I'm going to remove the old Freestyle JSON since now we're just going to get a good domain for it. NPX Freestyle deploy. and we'll call it slack.freestyle.dev. Let's hope they don't sue us. All right, this is the ending. Slack.freestyle.dev. Anybody who's been here this time, you should get yourself an account and send a message. That's what I'm going to do. You should too, Jacob.
What is the
Slack.freestyle.dev. Hey, Lenny. Hey. All right. We're going to end the stream so we're not too late to the event tonight. But thank you to everybody who watched. And we're going to be posting this in the Slack. To Ricken, get your PR in. We'll merge it. I'm excited. See you guys.
See ya.